If I could have a superpower, it is Australia, so it's basically summer. This is my favorite spray right now. And by right now I mean I've been using it for the last couple of years, but right now it's like my favorite thing ever. It smells so good. I'm definitely gonna repurchase this because it is nearly out. Okay, should we start the day? Good morning everyone and welcome to another video. I decided to show you my morning routine in winter. I say it's winter, it is Australia, so it's basically summer, because this is about as cold as it gets, me in a jumper, and all my windows are open. But I don't really have that much planned for the morning, so it's going to be a very typical morning of what I do. This morning I woke up and then I read for a little bit. I've been reading A False Start by Elsie Silver. I'm so excited to read this. It is the fourth and final book in the Gold Rush Ranch series, and I could not be more excited to finally finish it, because that would mean that I have read Elsie Silver's entire backlist. So this is the last book. I'm really excited. Plans for today: I've already made my bed, already got ready for the day somewhat. I haven't done my hair. I don't think I'm gonna do it today. I think it's just gonna be like a really chill morning. I'm gonna go downstairs and probably get myself a little bit of a snack before we go for a morning walk. It is 8:30 now, so about on schedule. I've been loving apples and peanut butter as like a morning snack before I go on my walk, because I'm somebody that gets hungry very quickly when I'm doing any sort of physical activity. I think honestly it's just because I really love food, but yes, I definitely need to eat before I do any sort of physical activity. To go. I know you want to go outside, but I have to go. Buddy, I have to go. You have to go away. You can't go outside when I'm not here. No. I said no. I'm sorry. I know you look heartbroken. I'll leave out later, okay? Oh, he hates me. Back from my walk, and I'm now going to make myself some breakfast. I am now back from my walk. It was really good, but I came back and went on my phone. It's the first time I've gone on my phone today, which then resulted in doom scrolling. So now I am chastising myself and I'm gonna now edit. So this is the part of the day. It's 11 AM now. I'm going to edit for probably the rest of the day now, because this is kind of a work day where I don't really leave my house. I have a bunch of editing to do. I have, I think, 2 main channel videos and a couple of shorts to edit, so it's gonna be a pretty heavy editing day. But yeah, this is 11 AM is usually a time that I'll crack on and stop doom scrolling. But for breakfast I just had some honey on toast. It is my favorite thing in the world, and avocado toast. We went to the farmer's market, which you would have seen on the weekend, and we got like a bag of avocados, and then they all started to ripen so quickly that now I need to like go through them. I think I'm gonna make some guac maybe this afternoon. Because I live in Australia, my winter morning routine isn't that different to my regular one, and also now that I live at the beach, but it does make getting out of bed that much harder. But yeah, probably gonna edit for, you know, the remainder of the day, but I'll catch you guys up. Procrastinate editing a lot. It's just so overwhelming when there's like often hours and hours and hours of footage, and it takes me so long to edit. I'm not a fast editor. I wish I was. You know what? If I could have a superpower, it wouldn't be to be fly or like be invisible. It would be to edit fast. I am still editing. I'm gonna be editing for the rest of the day, as I've already said, so I think I will leave this video here because it is just ticked over to 12 PM. If you want any more videos like this, let me know. Thank you for spending a little bit of your day with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!